My name is Mark Breese. I work for Yokogawa, and my position is I am a principal consultant for Yokogawa RAP, which is the center of excellence within our company for all things control of work. Yokogawa is a huge Japanese multinational industrial electronics company that is really focused on driving a few key things. They're trying to drive decarbonisation, they're trying to drive circular economy, and they're really trying to drive the well-being of people at work throughout their lives. Currently, there is a really big drive towards a decarbonised future, which is what I just mentioned, and also the part that I work for, which is the OpEx control of work business, is all about making workers at site safer in everything that they do throughout their working lives. I think it's been pretty good. I think the BGS team do a really good job of introducing you to other people without putting too much pressure on either party, and then leaving you alone to have a discussion for 10, 15, 20 minutes, which is just quite a nice way to meet people that otherwise it might be difficult to meet. I think the pharmaceutical industry is moving in a number of directions. Part of it is trying to organize its supply chain better, to try and make it more effective. And to an extent, that has to drive consistency, because at the end of the day, pharmaceutical is all about consistent manufacturing. And a big part of consistent manufacturing is the safety that goes with it. And that's where we come into the equation, to try and make sure that not only do businesses gain the maximum benefit of the efficiencies they can get from better ways of working, but they can ensure that their people are safe at the same time. Well, that's the balance, isn't it? As you outsource more, or as you drive into a longer supply chain, how do you make sure that you can still get the quality of product that you're looking for, particularly when you have to diversify, so you don't just have a single supplier for everything. I think that's a really big question for the industry, and I think it comes down to the way the industry drives its own culture into the rest of the supply chain. If you can drive a consistent culture, then you have a chance at driving a consistent level of quality. If you can't, then you won't. I think Anastasia's been really friendly, she's been helpful, she's introduced us to some really nice people, and she's always been available when we've needed her. Well, we had a little bit of a challenge earlier on today where we had a TV screen that we couldn't get up and running right, and the team did a really good job at getting us to an alternative screen so that we could show the video that we wanted as part of the show here today.